Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another trade recap. Um I guess let's get straight into it. I haven't really posted any trade recaps because I haven't taken any trades. Yesterday I looked at the market. I'm pretty sure most people did and they didn't really like what they saw. It was super choppy, no news. Well, there wasn't red folder news. So it was, for me, it was nothing good, to be honest. I didn't like anything that I saw. Maybe you guys won, but for me personally, I didn't take nothing. But let's get straight into this. I'm pretty sure most people caught longs today. I caught shorts. I know it says zero, but that's because the market closed. But I caught $437 on the Eval. So let me show you what trade I took. I'm pretty sure it was from, I entered right here, and I caught this first swing low. But I'll explain. I'll explain why I could have caught more, but I didn't. But I'll explain to that. So for me to have, I had the narrative as bearish today, because for me there was a 1 hour S&T, and the way for me the way that S&Ts work is I don't like to look at them on the 1 minute time frames, to be honest. I'm more looking at S&Ts from external draws, because those are more safer for them to be true, because there's S&Ts that can fake you out. And the reason I don't look in this today, I did look at this 1 minute, but I'll tell you why I looked at it. But usually with 1 minute, since so many S&Ts can get created in the 1 minute so many times, it's kind of hard to tell which one is true or not. So that's the reason I don't look at the 1 minute like that. But on the 1 hour, if you kind of notice, well, this is an external draw. Obviously before all this price happened right here, this was the prominent high at the time. So, well, for me, this S&T has a higher chance to get respected, if that makes sense. Which it didn't make price to go lower, but then the S&T just got clapped out right after. But so I saw this S&T and I marked out from this swing low to where price manipulated. This is the only low we have for us to mark out. And what I was seeing is, okay, well, if you look at this becomes premium, and this becomes discount under the 50% range. So the way the market moves, I'm not saying the way that I have understood is that when the market moves, it moves from premium to discount, premium to discount, or discount to premium. So price needs to come back, fill in orders for price to go back up. It's not always gonna go back up. So price needs to go to discount to go back up, for orders in the discount for price to go back up, to keep on displacing higher. I don't know if that makes sense. So back to what I was saying. When market opened at 9:30, we're still in premium in this range. So let's hop into 1 minute. Well, let's look at NQ because that's where I take my trades at. But I hop into 1 minute. I have the bias of everybody bearish because of the S&T. So market opens and what do I see? I see price comes in and what? Displaces up higher and takes out what? Takes out 1, 2, 3 draws of liquidity. Takes out 3 draws straight up. Boom, killed. And then what does price do after that? Well, as soon as we take out these draws, price instantly reverses into this nice black candle. And then, what do we have with that as well? If you look at this, what is this? A fair value gap. So, we inverse this 1 minute fair value gap with what? Speed and efficiency. Speed. You see how it just straight up clapped it out? So for me, that's confirmation right there. The only reason I didn't enter a little bit earlier is because I wanted true confirmation, because I don't know if price was gonna wick and then go back up. I didn't want that to happen. So I entered more right here, and I targeted this first swing low right here. But with the way that I told you how market, I understand that it moves from premium to discount, or discount or premium, or discount to premium. I wanted price to come back into discount to start in premium range. So I wanted to target this 41 points. I think pretty sure it was $755 when I was trading it. But since I don't want to be a greedy trader, so I just targeted this first swing low because I don't know if price could just take out that take out that little low, turn swoop and just like displace up higher, like cause something like this, you know. But obviously they didn't do that. But since price always has to go to a discount, putting my take profit right there would have been like a safe trade, in my opinion. Which I should have done, but what I should have, could have. I targeted this first low. But back to what I was saying, when we come back into this discount range, well, what does price do? This price is up higher. Now, let me give you like another example. If we have this low here, we mark out this range, what does price do at the discount? Yeah, it's at premium, we go back to discount, and this price is up higher. So that's the reason why I feel like you can target these ranges at 50%. While all of this is not educational, this is what I just see. This is the way I think, and just take it for what you want. I'm not teaching nobody about this stuff. I'm just like the reason I just say this stuff is because since I want to watch these videos for myself, I just want to keep on like learning it for myself. If that like kind of makes sense. But I only won $400. And I feel like a lot of people would be like, man, like why are you taking like a long time to be be stuck in the eval or whatever? And the reason I like take trades at $400, $500, $600, like not take like $1,000 or 1,500 days is because I want to build like consistency with my trading. Because if you want to be profitable, you're not always gonna have like $1,000, $1,500.
The market is
days.
open.
Does that make sense? You're not gonna have them. So if I build this consistency of me winning 500, 600, 400, 500, 600, well, when I pass these trading combine and go to an express account, well, I'm gonna have this same consistency. Because I haven't been trading for too long. I'm not saying trading $1,500 days is bad, but since I just started, I don't wanna pass these accounts like luckily, because I had 2 green days. And like I did two contracts, and then I pay the 130, 140 fee, and then I just build these accounts fast, cause I had 2 like lucky green days. I've passed 2 express accounts that all have been through consistency, like me winning 400, 500, 600, 400, 500, 600. So it's all been consistent, and that's all I want with like day trading. I'm pretty sure that's what like everybody wants, consistency. So that's why I don't have like these big winning days like other people have. But obviously, biggest tip is like everybody's gonna get there at their own time. I'm not always gonna be winning $400 every every time I trade. Even $400 is a lot of money if you win it per day. But some people they don't look at that they don't look at it like that anymore. Like they just want to win big days, big days, big days. But I think everybody has their time for that. But for me, I just want to have this consistency, and so when I get to these express accounts, I have the same consistency I have with these. But that's about it for today. Pretty sure like a lot of people took longs, because I saw like a lot of videos that people were taking these longs up here, which obviously that was a better trade than the one that I took. But like I guess mine worked out to some sort of sense. So if you guys can see what I'm saying, maybe it works out. And last thing, this was SMT from this draw to this draw, and the 1 minute from here was SMT. But that's about it for my trade recap. I hope you guys can get something out of this. But I hope you guys have a good day.